Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java OOPS, Object Oriented Programming. So let's get started. What is OOPS? OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming. Okay, so Object Oriented Programming has several advantages. Okay, like it is faster, easier to execute. OOPS provide a clear structure for the program. OOPS helps us to keep the Java code dry. Dry means does not repeat yourself and make the code easier to maintain, modify and debug. OOPS make it possible to create full reusable application with less code and shorter development time. Okay, now Java, what are classes and objects? Okay, so um, actually in OOPS there are four concepts. Okay, and we will be talking about that later. I just given you a brief idea about OOPS. Okay, but before that you need to understand something that are really important, so I am explaining that before. Okay, so what are classes and objects? Classes and objects are two main aspects of object oriented program. Now class is fruit. Objects are apple, banana, mango. Okay. So another example also they have given, class is car and objects are Audi, Volvo, Toyota. So like this I think you have got like what is car and what's our object. A class is a template of object. An object is an instance of class. Okay. When the individual objects are created, they inherit all the variable and method from the class. Okay, and okay, so little bit more like to understand about Java class and objects. Java is object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is associated with classes and objects. Along with this attribute and method, for example, in real life, a car is an object. Car has its attribute like weight, color, and methods such as drive, brake. A class is like an object constructor, or we can say blueprint of creating object. So here we have created a class main with the variable x. Okay, public class main is the name of a class and data type variable name equal to 5. We have okay. Now we have to create the object. So in Java, an object is created from a class where we have already created a class named main. So now we are using this to create the object. Now we are creating the class object. So main here we have used. This is the object name equal to new main. And now system.out.println my object and dot x value we are getting. Okay, so now we have done this is we have created the object, and by using the object we are calling the variable. Okay, and now variable value is printed as 5. So like this you can go to, if multiple objects you are using, then how? So x and x, same value will be printed but twice, because we have created two objects of same class. Different object name we have to give, and here by calling also different name we have given, object 1 and this x dot x, object 2 dot x, and 5 is printed. Okay, now using multiple classes you can create an object of a class and access in another class. This is often for better organization of classes. Okay, one class has all the attribute and method and another class holds the main method. Okay, code to be executed. So we have taken main.java and second.java. Main, here we have defined the variable the value 5, and second where we have created the object. Okay, and system.out.println and getting the value of x. This is under main it will go and get the value of x. So both we have compiled. Okay, How we compile Java C main.java Java C second.java both class name. Now we are executing running this java.second. Second we are running output we are getting at 5. Okay, so like this also you can do. Now it's saying to me to create a class, create an object of a my class is the okay. Now this I can take as an object, and here also my class I can write, and this is the way to create an object. Let's see what is the result. Yeah, this is correct. So like this we can create the class. So today we have got an idea about ops. Class and object is very important. Please go through. If you have any question, please comment. Please do like, subscribe my video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.